Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change the default page zoom in Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox on there, because you cannot do it on Windows. Then let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box, and we have in the top side of the screen also we have the add shortcut here. And in the top right corner, we have the three horizontal lines where you have a lot of different settings, as you can go and see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the default page zoom in Firefox. So first of all, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings. Then in the left sidebar, click on general. So you have it on the left sidebar. Then scroll down to the language and appearance. So scroll down here, as you can see, language and appearance, and then click the default zoom drop-down menu and select your desired zoom. So you have it here, as you can see. Then you can go and click on the zoom that you of course want, for example 90, 100, 110, etc. Close the settings tabs. Your changes will be saved automatically. You can also set a zoom level for individual websites by right-clicking on the page and selecting zoom. So you can basically click here. So basically when you're here, you can go like on a website, for instance, let's go to Amazon and click here, and you can go and like zoom it like that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until next time, bye guys.